Exactly.
Let's go bucket list.
Right. Action.
The year of our Lord, 1554, victory to the God McLeod.
In this year of our Lord, 1536, bring victory to the Clan MacLeod! MacLeod! Victory to
The year of our Lord, 1994, bring victory to the God McLeod. Hey! Fire it up! 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 Fire it up!
Okay, too much. A rat hole.
Definitely a rat hole.
Here's our little sound.
Alien Down in Castle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much a rat hole we're in right here in Kalakash. All they got is fish and boats.
The lady that was kind enough to discuss with me the eating establishments in this area stated she really couldn't recommend it because she doesn't eat and eats.
There's a total of how many in this place? 3?
3. Not to include the fish and chip shop, which is different. We've got the Sea Green, we got the Sea Green, we got the Gateway, and what else was there? The Whole Court Cafe.
Right.
That pretty much covers it.
All right.
Yeah. And you're caught up today. It is Saturday at approximately 3:30. And that's about it. We'll talk about it.
Every night I call your name. Every night I fall. Every night I fall again. But don't talk of love, the shadows long. Murmur away from you. Don't talk the words that never were. And is always ever true. There's nothing you can ever say. Nothing you can ever do. Still every night I fall. Every night I scream your name. Every night I fall. Every night the dreams the same. Every night I fall. Waiting for my only friend. Every night I fall. Waiting for the world to end.
All right, we're stopping now. Stand by. Oh shit, I haven't turned it off yet. Hey, hey.
You know what old Jack Burton always says at a time like this?
Who?
Jack Burton, me. Old Jack always says, what the hell?
Hey. Yeah, here we go. Oh, thanks for telling me, shitball. I'm sitting here using the goddamn video camera and I'm probably stepping on a bunch of soup shit. Is that, you getting any of that? Is it getting on there? Yeah, it's going. Alright. I'm dodging the sheep shit to climb the highlands. Hey, there's a bunch of sheep shit everywhere. I copy over. Let me get... copy that. Alright, let me stop, get a pan shot of rye. Hey, hold up a second. I want to get myself in this. Hold on. We're getting pictures, over.
Okay, here, get me in the back.
Hold on a second. And here we are, climbing up one of the mountains of the Highlands. Not many people say they climb the Highlands up in Scotland, but we're doing it. Give me a cigarette.
What up the hill with a cigarette in your mouth?
Whoa! We just... What the...
It's sheep fur or something. It's been scalped.
And, oh, look at that.
It's Rich. Come and join us, Cousin Rich.
Boy, nothing's quite behind it.
Hey, cousins.
Come up here and join us up in the Highlands. Do that again?
Yeah, I do what again?
What? What? That's you. What?
The camera.
Yeah, we just bagged the brain over.
Look like someone bagged one of the sheep up here.
Time to grab my keys. Grab Des keys over. Don't get that on camera, that's
Give a CPR or something.
I don't know. Yeah, it's I just peed myself. Where are your keys at? In the ignition.
Want to take it back? Our technology.
Oh. Hey, on top of that rock. Yeah, that's the plan. This is...
Got about 7 minutes, guys.
We can make it.
Roger.
Rich up in the Highlands.
Good picture.
Rich, say something famous.
There can only be one!
The only one!
King of the hill! Comes Dwayne.